All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So today we are taking a look at the HP Envy 360 laptop. This is a really nice laptop. Look how sleek this thing is. It is not very heavy. It is super slim. Comes in this beautiful silver with the HP logo right here on the top. One of the best features is the 360 feature on here, which will allow you to open up the laptop and actually flip this thing around and basically use the laptop as a tablet. The buttons would be down here at the bottom, and you can actually lock this so that way these do not work while you're using the touch screen. And yes, this thing is a touch screen, so you can use it as a laptop. Maybe you want to use it for personal use or maybe work, but this is definitely a really solid laptop by HP. Over the years, I've purchased a lot of HP products. I really stand by their PCs and their laptops. I really think they make some good stuff, and the HP Envy does not disappoint. This one comes with the Intel i7 chip in it, so you're going to get some really good quality out of this laptop. You can get this in a couple different sizes as far as the screen size. This is a 15-inch laptop. It comes out to around 15.5, 15.7, somewhere around there, but it fits perfectly inside of my backpack. And when I'm traveling on the plane, that's the reason I decided to get this screen size. But again, a really nice, solid laptop by HP. I've been using this thing for well over a year now, and I've had no issues whatsoever with it. I am totally happy with this purchase. Whenever HP makes a laptop, they do a really good job. So I do highly recommend the HP Envy 360. Again, this is in silver. It does flip around so that way you can use it as a tablet as well, and does feature a full touchscreen with a very clear webcam right here on the top. So if you're using some sort of video chat, you can use your camera right here on the laptop. So a solid product from HP. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, I would highly recommend it. I've been using this for quite some time, so I can definitely give you a full thumbs up on this product.